Hello again, it's Mrs. Drum here for your second lesson in Earth Science. Today we are going to discuss landforms. Be sure to turn to page 4 in your notes packet. Remember, you can pause or rewind the video when you need to. The answers you need to write in your notes are underlined and in a different color. By the end of the lesson, you are going to be able to define the term landform and identify and describe the following landforms: mountain, plain, and plateau. When you look at a picture of Earth, what color is it mostly? If the Earth is mostly blue in color, what can you infer about how much water is on Earth compared to how much land is on Earth? Turn and talk to your partner. Pause the video and replay when you are ready to check your work. 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. What are landforms? Even though most of the Earth is made up of water, there is still plenty of land. As you probably have noticed, the land often changes from place to place. You may have even seen the land change even when you take a short car trip. These different shapes of land are known as landforms. There are many types of landforms on the surface of the Earth. Mountains are landforms that rise at least 600 meters above the land. They are large, tall masses of rock with steep sides. What is the difference between a mountain and a hill? There is actually not a worldwide definition for a mountain. Therefore, there is no real rule for what makes a mountain or a hill a hill. However, it is agreed upon that a mountain is larger in height than a hill. Another landform on Earth is a plain. A plain is a flat landform that are usually surrounded by hills. Another landform on Earth is a plain. A plain is a flat landform that are usually surrounded by hills. A plateau is higher than land around them but are flat on the surface, kind of like a hilltop. A peninsula is a strip of land that sticks out into a body of water. It is mostly surrounded by water. An island is an area of land that is completely surrounded by water. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land with water on both sides that connect two large areas of land. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust from which lava flows. A canyon is a large crack in the ground made by a river or series of earthquakes. The map shows major landforms that are in the United States. Do you see any that you have ever been to? Well, that's it for landforms. Complete page 5 in your notes. Work on matching the landforms to their definitions independently. This worksheet will be graded, so do your best work. When you are finished, make sure your name is on your paper, tear it out of your notes packet, and turn it into the turn-in tray. Be sure to join me for the next lesson when we discuss volcanoes.